welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at how to buy using Raydium. Okay, let's say a DeFi trade was dropped with a CA. You just copy the contract address and you post it, and that is it. So let's say this contract address for this, and once you paste it here, this desk screen, now once you paste it, it's Solex. Okay, you click on it and you see where you can buy it from. Here is so under Raydium. Now where can you get, which wallet will you use? You're going to be using Phantom or Solflare. Okay, those are the wallets for Solana based tokens. So let's say we've seen it now, so I'm going to my Phantom wallet right away. So what do? I come to my Phantom wallet. So if you don't have Phantom wallet or Solflare, you can just get one for yourself and create an account. Fund it from Bybit or Mex on any exchange of your choice. Okay, so once it's open, look at the search bar here down below. Here, this search bar here, just tap on it. The search bar down below, you tap on it. Once you get here, you type Raydium. You are making use of the Raydium, the up one. Just type Raydium. Raydium dot, supposed to search with Google. Okay, just hold on. Okay, this is it. So once you get here, just connect it to your Phantom wallet or any of your wallet. I have Solflare and also have Phantom, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Phantom wallet. I just tap on my Phantom wallet and I connect. So you see, so I'm going to be I'm buying Solex. So here that there is Raydium, the under from so to Raydium. So I'm going to tap on it, the arrow down, and under this search bar on top, I'm going to post in my CA address here. Select CA address and I'll post it here, and I'm going to click on search. So this is it over here. So I'll just click on add token. Okay, I understand, confirm, and this is it over here. Okay, so now I'm going to impute the amount of so I want to use in buying this. So for the sake of this video, let me just choose, let me see. Okay, this 2 point something dollar. Let's say 0.030. I want to make it like 0.050. Okay, this is 4.38, $4.3 thereabouts. So I want to swap it for Solex. Okay, so what do? So I'm going to swap, but remember this is Slippage. If we try swapping, it didn't go, we are going to increase this to either 1%. To try again, we save, we try. If it doesn't go, we'll try the 1 or 2%. So we are going to start with this 0.5%. So all I have to do now is to click on swap. Oh, okay, it went through. Transaction initiation. Let's hold on. Okay, swap successful. Are you sure? Okay, I don't think it's successful. So what I'm going to do now is to increase my slippage to 1% and save it. So by so doing, I'm going to swap again. Confirm. Swap confirmed. You can see that So let's go back. Let me go back to my Phantom wallet now. Sorry. Let's go and check it. Oh, that means I did it 2 times. You swapped the first time, okay? So this is actually $8 worth of Solex. Okay, do you see that? So now let's say you've made some profit and you want to like swap it back to Sol, because this is Solex. All you have to do is do the same thing. You go back here, you go to Raydium. Sake of this video, let me just do the whole practical so you're going to get it clear. For the sake of people that will sell and come back to me to ask how do I swap, it's the same process. Okay, my wallet is already connected. Remember to always disconnect once you are done. So now this arrow here, you do what? You swap up. Solex should be up, so should be down. Okay, so if you want everything, you could just click on this. Okay, if you want to swap everything, but I don't want, so let's just do 50%. I'll just tap on 50% of it. So this is it, because it's already $8 because of the mistake I did earlier. So I'm going to take out 4 now and leave the first $4. Okay, so what do I do? Oh, this has changed back to no, I'm going to, Solex should be up because I'm swapping back to Solana, from Solex to Solana. Okay, okay, 50%, that's what I did. I need, nope, it's more than that. Max, I'm coming. Yes, 50%, which is $4. All right, so I'm going to click on, let me put this one strictly. Let me just put my fee to 0.5 separate fee, and I'll do what? I'll swap. I'm swapping back to my Sol. Wow, look at it. Swap confirmed. Okay, so let's go back. You see it will reduce now to $4. My Solex, you see my Solana from $5 to back to $9.74, and you see my Solex is now $4.32. so this is just the this is how to do your DeFi trading. Okay, so if you have any question, please drop it at the comment section, and you can join my WhatsApp to post to tell us more about what you do about the coins you are mining. I'm going to drop it via the comment section, the link via and my Telegram via the comment section and the description of this video. Bye, see you in my next video. Thanks.